If we talk about the easiest and most satisfying home dishes, this braised tofu is a real winner. It goes perfectly with rice or corn flatbread, and once you start eating, it's hard to stop. The method is very simple and needs no special cooking skills. Just follow the steps and you'll get it right every time. First, prepare 1 block of tofu. This type of tofu is soft and tender, and it absorbs sauce very well. When cutting, there's no need to be too precise. Cut it into long strips first, then cut them in half to make small pieces. Place the tofu on a plate and set aside. Do not rinse it with water, or it may break easily. Next, prepare the egg coating. Take a clean bowl, crack in 2 eggs, and add 1 spoon of cornstarch. Mix well with chopsticks until smooth and without lumps. Pour the egg mixture evenly over the tofu, making sure each piece is lightly coated. This helps prevent the tofu from breaking when frying and creates a golden crust. Let it rest for a few minutes. Now prepare the other ingredients. Chop 3 cloves of garlic into small pieces. Cut red chili peppers into small sections. Chop a handful of green onions into small pieces. Set them aside. These simple ingredients add a lot of aroma and flavor to the dish. Then make the sauce, which is the key to the taste. In a bowl, add 2 spoons of light soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, and 1 spoon of sugar. Pour in half a bowl of water and mix well until the sugar is fully dissolved. No complicated seasoning is needed. Simple home flavors are the most comforting. Heat a frying pan and add some cooking oil. When the oil is warm, gently place the tofu pieces into the pan one by one. Fry over low heat. Do not rush or flip too early. When one side turns golden, carefully flip and fry the other side until golden as well. This makes the tofu crispy on the outside and soft inside. Remove the tofu and set aside to drain excess oil. Leave a small amount of oil in the pan. Add the garlic and stir until fragrant. Then add 1 spoon of chili bean paste and stir slowly over low heat to release its aroma. Pour in the prepared sauce. Stir a few times, and turn the heat to high until it boils. After boiling, lower the heat and simmer for 1 minute so the flavors blend well. Put the fried tofu back into the pan. Gently stir so each piece is coated with sauce. Cover with a lid and simmer over low heat for about 3 minutes. Stir lightly once or twice to prevent sticking. When the sauce becomes thick and clings to the tofu, it's ready. Finally, add the chopped green onions and stir briefly to release their fragrance. Turn off the heat and serve. Enjoy it with freshly cooked rice or your favorite flatbread. The tofu is soft, rich in sauce, and perfectly balanced between savory and slightly sweet. It's great for both solo meals and sharing with family. This dish needs no special tools, and all the ingredients are easy to find and affordable. You can also adjust the seasoning to your taste, add more chili peppers if you like it spicier, or use less chili bean paste for a milder flavor. This home-style braised tofu is worth trying.